Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today we're going to be talking about merch and specifically how you can make your own merch for free. Let's get into it. Starting your own merch store using print on demand is a great way for you to take some of your creative ideas and turn them into tangible products without having to worry about inventory or any upfront costs. Now to start, you're gonna wanna determine your brand identity, so what your logo is, what colors you like, what designs you're leaning towards, things like that. Now, whether you have a solid brand identity already or you just wanna explore, a platform like Fourthwall is great for you because you're able to kind of play around and get a feel for what works. Now we'll jump into some product design. So as you can see, there are so many base options to choose from. We have shirts, hats, pants, bags, candles, lots of different fun products. For this example, I'm just gonna show you how you can get set up with a t-shirt. Now, as you can see, you can easily upload your artwork here and size it up or down and place it wherever you'd like. Our designer will let you know what the quality of the image looks like based on how large or small you make it. Once you like how your item looks, you can hit that preview button and see what it looks like on a mock-up. From there, you can hit next and go add the title of your product and your description, as well as what you wanna price it at. Now with Fourthwall, you can see once you enter in your price, we tell you how much profit you'll make. Once your merch is created, you can go on and customize your store. Now with Fourthwall, this is super easy because we have a bunch of different templates to choose from. Plus you can customize your colors, logos, add your social links, change the layout. There's so much you can do. Once you've played around and gotten your store to look like you'd like it to, you can go ahead and set your shop live. And once it's live, anyone can see it by going to your Fourthwall provided domain or a custom domain, which you can link for free to Fourthwall. Now, once your shop is out there, I highly recommend you promote it to your audience. You can do this on your socials or by utilizing some of our features like our YouTube merch shelf, our Twitch alerts, our Twitch gifting, and our thank you videos. Now, when a customer places the order, we take care of the printing, fulfilling, shipping, and customer service, so you can focus on the creative stuff. You'll even get your own customer service email with Fourthwall, so your supporters can reach out directly to us if they have any questions. Now, as your store grows, you can keep a track of what items are selling best with your community and keep that in mind for future launches. This is a great way to get your community involved and make sure you're designing stuff that they'll love too. Now, creating your own merch store can seem pretty overwhelming, but with Fourthwall, we make it super easy for you to upload your designs and customize your store so you're able to launch a shop that feels really true to you as a creator. If you're ready to jump in and try creating your own merch store, you can click the link in our description to sign up for Fourthwall for free today. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to hello@fourthwall.com and our team would be happy to help. Thanks for hanging out and good luck on your merch journey.